Children today grow up inside screens, scrolling, chatting, and exploring without boundaries, but much of what happens there remains unseen. Bark is a platform designed to help parents stay aware of their children's digital lives. Using AI, it monitors messages, social media, and app activity, detecting signs of risk and alerting parents when something needs attention. But children don't only live on their phones. The family computer, used for homework, gaming, and browsing, often falls outside the picture, and without dedicated control, it becomes the easiest blind spot. AnySecura is built for exactly that. A Windows-based control platform that gives parents direct device-level control over their children's digital environment. AnySecura lets you define custom time ranges, such as active time, rest time, or weekend, and apply them across any control policy you create. AnySecura lets you define custom application packages, grouping apps like games, browsers, and social tools however you choose. In the application control policy, the game package is set to block. When a child tries to open BlueStacks, the system stops it immediately, no workaround possible. The same logic applies to web access. AnySecura lets you define custom website packages by category. In the web access control policy, the social media platform package is set to block. When a child tries to visit Facebook, the page simply won't load. Children explore freely, parents stay in control. AnySecura, built to protect the computers your children use every day.